Hi guys, here is me. Yeah, you can see today I am in the factory. I will show you several manufacturing process. First one is punching near me. You can see the punching machine is working now. Now follow my view. Let us see how it works. This process line is connected by a row of material. This is the punching machine. Yes, it is working now. Let me show you in detail. At the end of this process line, there is a machine that is rolling the perforated material. Okay, let me show you the next process. Now I am near the rolling machine. You can see the perforated material is used here. They are being rolled into upright now. Let's see it together. In this process line, there are many different rows that move the material forward. Each row plays a different role and finally forms the upright. Okay, let's continue to see the next process. Here is the welding process, but it is not complex, so the worker is doing it by himself. Let me show you the welding of our racking system. Here is the welding of box beam. It is a welding machine. The worker puts the beam connector on the machine first, then put on a box beam, and the welding machine will weld them together. What's more, the mechanical welding can make your racking use for longer time. Okay, after welding, we arrange a worker to remove the welding slab. After this process, the welding area of this beam you can see is brighter now. This benefits the later powder coating and it can make your racking more beautiful. Now let's show you another process, pickling the racking system. Pickling can effectively remove stains on the racking surface and form an oxide film. It can better absorb rinsing powders later. After pickling, our workers will hang it up one by one. The racking will be washed and dried again through this machine. Before powder coating, you can see here is a worker wiping the racks. The process can avoid that the racking surface is not clean enough before painting. Now let us see the paint process. During the painting process, we use a combination of mechanical spraying and manual spraying mode to make the spraying more comprehensive and even. Manual spraying can ensure that the powder can be absorbed anywhere on the racking surface. Here are the finished racking. Our workers are taking them off and put them in order. Then they will be waiting for packaging. Okay, let me show you our finished product warehouse. Okay, now I am in the finished product warehouse. You can see there are many racking products. These are for our domestic customers. You can see we also use the wrapping film around them to insulate from dust. Here are the products for our foreign customers. We use cards in some places to prevent wrapping from damage when using forklifts. And we use steel strip to fix them, prevent them falling down during shipment. Okay, you can see now there is a container waiting to be loaded. Here are the all I wanna show you. Let's see next time.